morning. Another beautiful day at Tiki West. So we're wrapping up all at the mill. Not much left to cut. Have a few more logs down in the field, but this is pretty much all there is right here. Wow. I guess he milled up all the logs before he went yesterday. There's only about maybe 10 logs left. We have our shiplap siding over here drying out. A little bit more fence boards here, and some fence boards here. We have our power pole here. We have we got our tractor. I had mentioned that in another video. Here's our tractor. We're getting ready to put the bucket on it now. It's raining. The weather has been not really productive over the past week. Been a little cold and rainy, so we haven't been able to do much. But we're moving along. We pretty much cleared everything out that's going to get cleared. We need to do a little cleaning on the property now. I think they're coming today to do a little more work on the dirt. Not sure. Haven't talked to Nate yet today. But you can see as we walk down our road that it's pretty much cleared out. I'm going to get in here and stack some brush and have some little small brush fires. I had posted an ad under work campers to see if anybody wanted to come out here and lend a hand and stay a while and maybe stack a little piles. Come, make some piles of brush. Enjoy your time here. Go see the rose gardens and drive over to Dallas. Here's some gravel on the pad that we're gonna spread out over the pad before we do the concrete. As you can see, we're moving right along on the job here. Still a little water up here on the pad. We're going to pour some more concrete on the piers today. We ran out of concrete yesterday, so we only got a few. These columns are 2 foot deep and 12 inches in diameter. But I'll cut this off. And maybe I'll do some more videotaping when we get to the end of the day. I'll have him come in and he's got to clean all this up and do some grading. We have to get ready for our septic tank, which has been ordered and paid for. They wanted to bring it out last week, but it's going to go right there. And this is the road coming in on the property. But we're working on it. We're getting her there, slowly but surely. 3 anxious to get out here and clean up the property, but the house takes precedence over cleaning right now, as it's going to get hot and more muggy. Well, maybe not so much hot, it's just I've been waiting for the lumber to dry so that we could start building with it. You have to wait for the moisture content to go down a little bit on lumber to build with. Otherwise it warps, dries out. Just not a really good thing. So that's where I'm going to leave this for right now. And we'll talk to you later. See you at the Tiki West.